A brand new Samsung phone has surfaced online even before its official launch. The Samsung Galaxy A57 5G has been unboxed in an early hands-on video, giving everyone a first clear look at the device. What immediately catches the eye is its stunning icy blue color, which gives the phone a fresh and premium feel. The hands-on video was shared by a tech creator named Early Tech India, who posted both video clips and images of the upcoming Galaxy A57. Thanks to this leak, there is now a much better idea of how the phone looks in real life, well before its official release. From the moment the phone appears in the video, the design stands out. The icy blue color makes the phone look modern and stylish. Samsung seems to have focused on elegance while keeping the design simple. The back panel is smooth and polished, and the way the color reflects light adds a subtle, premium touch. It looks calm and attractive, likely appealing to users who enjoy stylish phones without being too flashy. The camera layout on the back is another noticeable feature. The cameras are arranged vertically, following the design pattern seen in many of Samsung's newer phones. The camera rings are minimal and clean, giving the back a neat and organized look. Even in this early video, the lenses look well aligned, and the overall layout keeps the back panel simple, avoiding clutter. This approach enhances the phone's modern and premium appearance. Moving to the front, the display also looks impressive. The bezels around the screen are slim, which maximizes the viewing area. A larger screen-to-body ratio makes content like videos and games more immersive, and that seems to be the case here. At the top center of the display, there is a punch-hole camera cutout. This design keeps the front clean while providing space for the front camera. Samsung has used this style in many recent devices, helping to create a distraction-free screen experience. The display itself appears bright and vibrant. While detailed specifications are not confirmed yet, the screen already looks sharp and colorful. Watching videos, scrolling social media, or playing games should feel enjoyable on this screen. The slim bezels also give the phone a more modern and refined look compared to older mid-range models. Samsung seems to continue its strategy of bringing flagship-style design to the A series lineup. Another highlight in the hands-on video is how comfortable the phone seems to hold. The edges are smooth and slightly curved, making it easier to grip during daily use. A comfortable design can make a big difference, especially when using the phone for long periods. Even though the video mainly focuses on design, it already suggests good build quality. The Galaxy A57 looks solid and well constructed, which is typical of Samsung smartphones. Leaks like this generate excitement because they provide a sneak peek of upcoming devices. The Galaxy A57 is expected to be one of Samsung's key mid-range smartphones, and this early look is already creating curiosity about its full specifications. The icy blue color might become one of the most popular options. It has a modern and stylish appearance without being too loud, striking a balance many users prefer. The timing of the leak is also interesting. The official launch is expected soon, so more details about performance, camera capabilities, and battery life will likely emerge in the near future. Until then, this hands-on video gives a good preview of the phone's look, from design to display to color finish. Many smartphone enthusiasts are now waiting for the full unboxing and detailed review, which will reveal more about the Galaxy A57's performance, camera quality, and overall features. But based on this first look alone, the phone already appears stylish and attractive. Samsung seems to have focused on delivering a premium design experience even in a mid-range device. The big question remains whether the Galaxy A57 will also offer strong performance and features to match its design. If it does, it could easily become one of the most popular mid-range smartphones of the year. What do you think about the Samsung Galaxy A57 in this icy blue color? Does it look like a worthy upgrade for the A series lineup? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For more leaks, updates, and the latest smartphone news, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so the next big tech update is never missed.